to explain the difference between being for itself and being in itself in context of Sartre. Now, Sartre has been an existentialist philosopher. He talks about that existence of human being is before the essence, because what we see that during this time, by 19th 20th century philosophers, they were very fed up with all the kind of German idealism, Kant's German idealism, transcendentalism, right? They wanted to talk about what is happening in the world. They wanted to talk about the human existential query, right? The human was always kept above the all the metaphysical entities. Now, Sartre specifically, he mentions that a human is creation of the choices he makes in his life. He talks about the concept of freedom, responsibility, and choice, right? He mentions that there are certain things that you can't choose. These are known as bad factity, like your parents, your siblings, right? But the choice you make, you create the value in your life. Now, the word over here, being for itself. Now, this is what? Creating the choices, creating the freedom, and taking the responsibility of your own life. Being in itself is just merely being present in the world, right? Like a non-conscious object. Now, let's very quickly see over here. Specifically, Sartre mentions that existence precedes the essence. It is about the human existence and the consciousness. It is about the human dignity and human freedom over here. Okay? His themes are freedom, responsibility, and authentic human existence. What is being in itself? I just now discussed that it is li and soy. It is static. It is non-conscious, right? It is not able to make its choices. There is no sense of freedom. But somebody who is being for itself, you are responsible. You make the choices and then you are responsible for that. That is li por soy. Humans first exist in this world and then they create the human consciousness for them.